Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add in the roof, and then we already finished all our windows. We added the mullions and then the door for our balcony. Now we're gonna continue working on this. Before we finish the last video, I told you that I'm gonna do some changes right here. What I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna edit the path. I'm just gonna delete this one for now. Click that finish, and then we're going to do something right here on this side. So let's go to our south elevation, where we will be able to see this, what we did. And then here, let's go to architecture, drop down model in place, and then here go to generic model, press OK, and then OK. We're gonna do an extrusion, and then here we're gonna pick this wall. So we're gonna pick the wall right here, and then we're going to attach somewhere right here. I'm thinking probably 200. I think that's good enough. So AL, I want to attach it from here. I'm probably going to extend this so that it looks much better. And then here, once we finalize the 200, so 200 right here, I think 200 is good enough. And then from this edge, I'm going to put 200 as well. And then let's trim and extend, and then trim and extend. Now we could delete those. So now we could just move this one a little bit backwards like that, and then extend this one all the way there for the window. So now click on finish, and then let's change the material right here. I would do gypsum wallboard, but then again I want to be able to change that, so that I'm just gonna duplicate the gypsum wallboard and then put wall paint, and then apply, and then OK. Click finish, and then the good thing about model in place extrusion, you could extrude that basically right like that. So I'm going to align it from this face. So AL, align it from this face, and then like that. And then the good thing about that is we'll be able to move it all the way right there. I don't like the look of this, so select that wall, attach to top base. There we go. It went down like that. Now we'll be able to just edit this, go to level 2 to see what we're missing there, and then just align it from this wall. Now click finish and check if everything is lining up. There we go. And then let's just double check everything, because for some reason this one is good, this one should be 0. So I just want to double check, because some of them has those offset, height offset, but I didn't do it like that. So here we could just move this one from the face so that everything is linking, and then we could add in our sweep around here, and then we're gonna have probably one extrusion from here as well. I think it's gonna be good to have an extrusion here as well. So now let's do this, and let's do the other one as well. So we're going to go back to architecture, click on model in place. Let's go and choose generic model. This will be number 8, and then let's set the material. So I'm going to do a sweep, and then let's pick the path first, 3D path. I'm gonna choose this path all around. Finish, edit profile, and then here let's create our profile. Let's do 150, and then here we could just add this kind of profile right here, 25, 25 right here. Delete this, SL, and then TR. Click finish, and then finish. And then before we finish completely, let's add in a metal material. So let's just use a random one. Click apply, and then finish. So that looks good. We might extend it more, but this one looks much better. And then we're going to do the same profile around here. So we could even select here, edit in place, and then we could use create again, sweep, and then pick the path. We're going to create the path right here. And then, yeah, we could just extend it right here. And then click finish. There's a loop, so we need to continue and see where it is. So here is not connecting. Let's try it again, and then there we go, we fixed it. So now we just need to create our design. Same idea, 150 is good enough. Here, let's add this, select here 25, select here 25 as well, select here probably 50, delete this one, SL, and then TR, and then click finish, finish, and before we finish, same aluminum. Now it's looking very nice the way we created this. There we go. I also want to do some small details right here by using sweep again. So model in place again, generic model, and then click on sweep, and then we could just add more details so that it doesn't look like this. And then here, let's trim and extend here, and then here. In terms of this one, I just want to pick this, so trim and extend, and then we just need to do this one at the top right here because it's not you cannot have a loop. So click finish, edit profile, and just a simple rectangle. make it 400, and then let's select this and then just move it from the midpoint. So there we go. So now we just need to set the material, anything that is different. I'm just gonna use something, probably this one. Click finish, finish. And then let's do a sweep again. Same thing. Click finish, edit type. Same thing. We can always change it, because this is an extrusion and extrusions are easy to change. Select that, move it, click finish and finish. Then after that, I want to change this one. So instead of this, let's edit just the amount of railing structure. I don't want, so delete, 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 apply, okay. So I just want it to be simple enough, like so. So I'm happy with this. Let's edit this as well. So now it's more on the detail that we're doing, because those make a big difference as well. So like here, we could even add some nice design just to showcase more. So this will be extrusion. Pick path. Let's use this wall. And then let's just create something like this. Very simple. So 150. And then here as well, 150. Let's trim, and then 150 right here. And then now we could just trim and extend here, and delete the excess. And then we could just copy this. So CO to copy. Let's add it right here. And then copy it. We should have checked multiple so that it's just one process, but that's fine. I could align this AL to make it faster, and then here 150. AL, align it right here, and then select this one, 150. I want it to just probably 20, and then the way it will look, I want a different look. So let's use this, duplicate, wall plate number 1. click finish, and just look at it like that. That makes a big difference just for the look itself. And then let's not forget, we're going to add something right here at the bottom that will cover. I'm probably going to use an extrusion so that it's easier to manipulate. Model in place. Let's put it here because the look of the carport. I'm going to model in place, generic model, press OK, and then OK. This will be an extrusion from level 1. That will be fine. Here I'm assuming the size, and then for the I want it to be wood. So let's use this, apply, OK, and then click finish. Let's go to 3D. I want to pull it up, click finish. Now, because this is an extrusion, it's easy to manipulate. AL, I'm going to align it from the top to the bottom like that. And then here, I could just manipulate it easily because of the thickness. I'm just gonna push it like that. I know it is level from there, and I just want to push it a little bit. And then I just want it to be not overlap, but just enough at the front right there, and then here just enough as well that it covers the top there. Now we could set this one and this one as wood, and it will look amazing the way it will look. Okay. I'm just checking the way it looks. We're going to add in a gate, but that will be later on, probably in Twinmotion, because I saw a proper gate that we could add it here. And of course I'm gonna provide that. And then I'm just checking to see if we've finished it properly, or we've done it properly. This one is for the over, and then I'm probably going to add in some extrusion right here on the next video, just to make it look nicer, because it feels empty here. Probably planks of wood, so that will be on the next video. And then hopefully we finish everything by the next video, and then we're ready for Twinmotion. So thank you for watching, and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.